like never found money down there. Next time, see if you can arrange for maybe 20s or 50s. Like, I go there for $10, but
Ihor, go look in the mirror and you
for $20, they put more feeling into it, you know?
Oh, really? Yeah.
And for $50, you go tam співати. Такого.
That's
That's good enough.
Wait, is he supposed to be the
Cuidado
dead
or
guy?
no cuidado?
Is he supposed to be the dead guy?
Cuidado.
I won't wear mine though.
No?
Well, we'll see what it looks like.
Is he supposed to be dead?
Yeah.
Is he supposed to be
And
the
Cahute.
dead guy?
Malonka?
Yeah. I just got home.
How was the food there?
Oh man, the food's so bad. Oh man, I was in the morgue for 7 days. How long has it been now? 3 months? I finally woke up. Thank God. Lots of MSG. Preserved me. We have, for a nominal fee, extra long shovels, just to make sure.
Okay. I don't think you should do it that animated.
No?
I think you should just do it straight.
Okay. Well, I was doing it like I was reading. I was trying to make it like I'm actually reading it.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Dishes.
I know.
You love the dishes, you do.
Reading it off a script, because
Yeah.
that's how
That's good.
some Ukrainian guy would do it. Now, how is this? Ми вас поховаємо, скоро і глибоко.
That went well, didn't it?
Yes.
I suppose we're going to get a lot of business.
Oh, yes. Did we forget anything?
I don't think we forgot anything. I think we did a good job, and I think we remembered everything there is to remember.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
There's too many people in there.
See? Yeah. Yeah.
Very good.